We have a nice rectangular problem here. The perimeter of the rectangle is given, which is 36 meter. The area of the rectangle is given, which is 80 meters square. The two sides of the rectangle is A and B. A is the larger side, B is the smaller side. We have to find the value of A and B. So first we write the area equation. From the area equation we know that A times B equals the value of the area, which is given as 80. From here we can write A equals 80 divided by B. We can give it as equation number 1. Then we'll write the perimeter equation, and we know that the perimeter is 2 times A plus B, and the value of perimeter given is 36. We can divide both sides by 2 and we can write A plus B equals 36 by 2. Then we can write A plus B equals 18. We can give this one as equation number 2. From this equation number 2 we can proceed by putting the value of A from equation 1, and we can write 80 divided by B plus B equals 18. Then we can simplify and we can write B 80 plus B times B is B square equals 18. Then we can write 80 plus B square equals 18B. We can take 18B on the left side of the equation and we can write B square minus 18B plus 80 equals 0. Then we can write B square minus 10B minus 8B plus 80 equals 0. Then we can take B as a common term and we can write B minus 10. Again we can take minus 8 as a common term and we can write B minus 10 equals 0. From here we get B minus 10 times B minus 8 equals 0, which gives us the two values of B, which is B equals 10 and B equals 8. So we got the value of B, which is the width of the rectangle, which is 10 meter and 8 meter. So we got the value of B. Now from equation number 2, if we put the value of B, the two values of B each time, and we can get two values of A from the equation number 2. So when B equals 10, we get A plus 10 equals 18 from equation number 2, or we get A equals 18 minus 10, or we get the value of A equals 8. So this is first value of A when B is 10. Next we get when B equals 8. From the same equation we get A plus 8 equals 18, or we can write A equals 18 minus 8, or the value of A is 10. So this is the second value of A when B is 8. So we got two values of A, which is 8 meter and 10 meter. So this is the end of the video. Thanks for watching the video.